One of our most advanced progressions of the lunge pattern, don't be confused by the name, is going to be the skater squat or the single leg squat. This is going to be the most difficult version because in previous versions we were able to use that back leg for some awareness and for some support. Now the back leg is entirely out of this movement. So in addition to having a good proficiency in those previous movements, we need to have a base level of strength that allows us to support our body weight solely with that lead leg. So here's what it looks like. Similar to our split squat and our lunge patterns, we're going to start at the bottom and we're going to find ourselves in a position in which the lead leg has that heel, big toe, and pinky toe stable to the ground. We're going to need that knee to travel forward so that we can keep the majority of our weight on that foot. My back knee is going to be very close to that front heel. I'm using a pad just to help me with depth. Similar to our step up previously, we're going to find a spot where my knee and my hip are parallel to the ground. So I'm going to use a pad to help me understand how deep can I go while remaining supported. Now that I've found that position, I'm going to come to the top. We're going to use the hands at our side, but we are also going to have the arms reach to give us a little bit of counterbalance in this movement. So as my rear foot floats back, knee to tap the pad, I'm going to reach my arms forward to help me counterbalance the movement. Boom. That's the bottom of the position. You see that my weight is on that lead leg, my back foot is floating, my knee is tapping simply to give me awareness as to how deep I am going. Fire that hamstring and that glute. Pull yourself back to the front entirely with that lead leg. Very difficult position, challenges your stability and strength greatly. If needed, when you're beginning this exercise, you can use something to give yourself a little bit of awareness, like standing inside of a rack. But if you're having any trouble with that, it's better just to regress back to some of those previous variations, and we'll build on it from there.